Hey, it's Tammy, your wealthy, healthy BFF. I got a house over my shoulder. Of course, it is 466 Prince of Wales. It's done. It's finished. It's completed. And guess what? It's under contract. And guess what? We're going in. Let's go see this baby. So here we go. So let's go out. We are outside. Look at that unit, guys. That's a huge unit. Out here, there is our tankless hot water heater. Love it. It's our nice clean storage area with our electrical. So they can pull a few things in there. So there's a tree that needs to be gone. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out that tree, even though it belongs to the other, this 468. I'm going to go ahead and take that one out too and get rid of it. Let's go through here. So we have the beautiful kitchen. Chose the black and white motif. And basically we did black, white, and gold. Those were our colors. The stairs came out great. Love these stairs. The flooring is awesome. It's so nice and toasty in the house. Here we are. The bathrooms are complete. Ceiling fans are in. This one is ready for my client. Well, not my client, the buyer, to come on and take it. So this is great. So I had one, when I had posted it, I had one client who commented, oh, you should get rid of the gold and put in nickel. Well, let me tell you guys, right now, gold is back in. It's one of those things that's back in because it's not the brassy stuff that you should put in, but it's a nice, it's got a nice tone to it. People love it. So it's here to stay, I think, for a while. But here it is. Here it is. So the house lasted 2 days on the market. I put it out. I posted it. A young lady came and saw it. She loved it. Had several people. Had some good offers. This young lady will be moving in. And I think she is going to love it because it's great. It's a great place. Guys, I'm going to say it's a wrap. It's a wrap.